the difference between these two pictures, and don't forget to circle the difference. Ready? Okay, this in the picture 1 and picture 2, what are the difference? Yes. In the picture with describing. So you can say in the picture
The picture
one,
alien.
the alien.
The picture one, the alien have a 3 legs.
Yeah, and in the picture 2.
And the picture 2, the alien have 4 legs.
Yeah, good. And then what else? In the picture 1.
In the picture 1, there are no sun.
There is no sun.
And then the picture 2 have a sun.
Yeah, it has a sun. What else do you find difference?
In the picture 1, the jacket is red. And then the picture 2, the jacket is yellow.
Okay, good. And then
The picture 1, the boy eating burger.
yeah, the picture 1, the boy eating burger.
And picture 2, the boy eating French fries.
Yeah, and then
Picture 1, the animals on the right boy is bird. And then the picture 2, the animal in right boys is fox.
yes, it's fox. I thought it's a cat. Like, is that all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.